How to cash advance in BDO credit card. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how to request a PIN for your BDO credit card so you can cash advance using your credit card. So first, open your browser and go to www.bdo.com.ph. Once you're on the home page, you don't need to log in. Just click on Personal at the top menu. Under the Personal tab, select Cards, then select Credit Cards. Next, scroll down to Credit Card Services and choose Request for Cash Advance PIN. On the Cash Advance PIN page, click the link labeled here to proceed. Then fill out the form with your credit card number, date of birth, and card expiry date. Complete the CAPTCHA, and once everything is filled out, click Submit. After submitting, wait for your PIN to arrive via SMS. Once you have received your PIN, you can use it at any ATM to withdraw cash using your BDO credit card. So here are the important reminders to keep in mind. So first, cash advances comes with fees and interest. So make sure you are aware of the charges before proceeding. And always keep your PIN secure and never share it with anyone. And that's how you can request a cash advance PIN and withdraw cash using your BDO credit card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.